Dear 10th class students, today I am giving you demo class. By seeing this demo class, you can purchase the course. See, in demo class I am teaching you quadratic equations. See, many students feeling tough these quadratic equations, but it is very easy. See, it has only 7 models of questions. Model 1, check whether it is a quadratic or not. Model 2, finding b square minus 4ac value and find the nature of roots. Model 3, if roots are equal, we can find k value using the formula b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. Model 4, solve by formula minus b plus or minus root b square minus 4ac by 2a. Model 5, solve by factorization. Model 6, solve by completing square method. Model 7, solving word problems. See, I will explain you all these 7 models one by one. Okay. See, model 1, check whether it is a quadratic or not. How you know it is a quadratic or not is, if degree is 2, it is quadratic. If degree is not 2, it is not a quadratic. See the first example. This is 3x square plus 5x plus 7. Degree 2 is there. Therefore, it is a quadratic. Second one, degree 2 is there. Therefore, it is a quadratic. Third one, it is a degree 2 is there. Therefore, it is a quadratic. Fourth one, if you multiply these two expressions, what you will get is 6x square and this is 15x, 4x, 19x plus 10 is equal to 0. There also degree 2 quadratic. Here it is, open this brackets, you will get 6x square minus 4x plus 15x plus 11x minus 10 is equal to 6x square plus 8x plus 5. 6x square cancel, therefore it is not a quadratic. Last one, degree is 1, therefore it is not a quadratic. Okay, now model 2, finding discriminant and find the nature of roots. We know discriminant formula is b square minus 4ac. From the quadratic equation, find ABC values and substitute in b square minus 4ac, you will get discriminant. Example, 2x square minus 6x plus 3 is equal to 0. A2, b minus 6, c3. Then we can find b square minus 4ac value, that is minus 6 whole square minus 4 into 2 into 3. This is 36 minus 8 3s are 24, which is 12. We can find discriminant by this procedure. After finding discriminant, if discriminant is positive, that is greater than 0, roots are real and different. If discriminant is equal to 0, roots are real and equal. If discriminant less than 0, that is negative, then roots are imaginary. Once again see, if discriminant is positive, real different. Discriminant is equal to 0, real equal. Discriminant less than 0, roots are imaginary. Okay. Say examples, we can find discriminant and check the nature of roots. Equation 1, already saw b square minus 4ac, 12 came. 12 means positive. Therefore, discriminant greater than 0. Therefore, roots are real and different. See another example, 2x square minus 6x plus 7, a2, b minus 6, c7, b square minus 4ac value, 36 minus this, that is 36 minus 56, that is minus 20, which is less than 0, that is negative. Therefore, roots are imaginary. Another example, x square minus 6x plus 9, 0, a1, b minus 6, c9, b square minus 4ac substitute, 36 minus this, that is 36 minus 36, 0. Therefore, discriminant 0. Therefore, roots are equal, real and equal. Okay. Thank you. Now, model 3, if roots are equal given, find k value. He equation he will give like 2x square plus 4kx plus 10 is equal to 0. Given roots are equal. Given roots are equal. Then formula is b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. We know a value is 2 here, b value 4 here, 4k here, c value 10 here. Then substitute in this formula 4k square minus 4 into 2 into 10 is equal to 0. 4k square is 16k square, multiply this 80, then 16k square is equal to 80, k square is equal to 80 by 16, that is 5, k is equal to root 5. We can find k value if given roots are equal. Okay. Now model 4, solving by formula minus b plus or minus root b square minus 4ac by 2a. Take one example, x square minus 6x plus 9 is equal to 0. Solve it by formula. See, a is 1, b is minus 6, c is 9. Find b square minus 4ac value. That is b square 36 minus this 36 minus 36. This b square minus 4ac value 0 came. After finding b square minus 4ac, substitute in this formula. It becomes minus of minus 6 plus or minus root b square minus 4ac means 0 by 2 into 1. This is 6 by 2, which is 3. Because b square minus 4ac 0, values are equal, therefore roots are 3 comma 3. Okay. Now model 5, solving by factorization. This is very important. See the quadratic equation, a is 1, b is minus 6, c is 9. Solve this quadratic by factorization, which is nothing but simply splitting middle term. For that, take dash into dash is equal to ac. Here a is 1, c is 9, 1 into 9, 9 here. Dash plus dash is equal to b, which is minus 6. Now take two numbers whose product is 9, whose sum is minus 6. Take 3 and 3. 3 3s are 9 matching, but 3 plus 3 it is not minus 6. Therefore take minus 3, then minus 3 addition is minus 6. Now rewrite this by splitting middle term. 1x square minus 3x minus 3x plus 9 is equal to 0. Now first two terms factorize. This is x into x. This is minus 3 into x. Other things as it is right. Now first two terms take x common. What is left? X left. What is left here? Minus 3. Same what is there in the box. Again write another box. Write x minus 3 is equal to 0. X went inside the box. What is left? Right outside. Now take x minus 3 common. What is left here? X. Here minus 3 is equal to 0. Therefore x is 1, 2. Minus 3. X minus 3 is equal to 0. That means x is equal to 3 and x is equal to 3. Okay. Next model, word problems. See, I'll give one word problem. How you can solve it? See, an express train takes 1 hour less to travel 132 kilometers distance if its speed increased by 11 kilometers per hour. Now find its speed of the train. See, there are two cases. Case 1, assume speed of train is x. Case 2, speed of train increased by 11 means it is x plus 11. Case 1, time assume as t. Case 2, time reduced by 1 hour. 1 hour less means time reduced by 1, that means t minus 1. Distance in both cases 132 kilometers only. Now we know distance is equal to speed into time. speed into time is equal to distance. Therefore, we can write t is equal to 132 by x. Now, in this case also, speed x plus 11 into time t minus 1 is equal to 132. Multiply x into t minus x plus 11t minus 11 is equal to 132. xt how much? 132. xt 132 cancel. This is minus x plus 11 into t value 132 by x minus 11 is equal to 0. Simplify this, you will get x here minus x square plus 132 into 11 by x is equal to 11. We can write. Send x this side. Then we can send x right side. We have the quadratic equation minus x square plus 132 into 11 is equal to 11x. Bring all one side. It becomes x square plus 11x minus 132 into 11 is equal to 0. Solve this quadratic equation by any method. Solve this quadratic equation by any method. You will get x value which is positive. Take that speed of train. Okay. I have 25 years experience in teaching mathematics. I hope your fear in quadratic equations gone my demo class. To get sure success and 100% marks, please purchase the course. It is very reasonable price, only 7,500. Okay.